let's make some delicious ramen. Okay, so for this custom recipe of mine, you're gonna need some chicken broth, some beef broth, or stock in this case, some fish sauce, some lime juice, and some salt. Be sure to give all 4 of these things a good shaking. Alright, after the shaking's done, you add a cup of water, a half a cup of the chicken and beef broths or stocks, then you add a tablespoon of the fish sauce and a tablespoon of lime juice. Then get the stuff boiling and add a dash of salt. From then on, it depends on how you're preparing the ramen itself. If you're just going to use whatever pot you have, you put the ramen in the pot, then you let it boil for 3 minutes, then let it cool for 1 minute. But if you're using a special ramen cooker, like this one, you put the ramen and flavoring packet in here while the concoction boils. Then after it boils, you pour it in there, put the lid on, and wait for 5 minutes. So there you have it. Have you tried this yet? If so, did you like the results? Let me know in the comments.